Greece, a land steeped in rich history and breathtaking landscapes, offers a treasure trove of attractions. From ancient ruins to stunning coastlines, join us as we explore the best places to visit in this captivating country. Athens, the cradle of civilization. Athens is home to iconic landmarks like the Acropolis and Parthenon, showcasing its historical significance. Experience the vibrant culture, lively nightlife, and delicious local cuisine while exploring fascinating museums throughout this ancient city. Santorini, a romantic paradise. Santorini captivates with stunning sunsets and the unique architecture of Oya. Enjoy the island's volcanic beaches and crystal-clear waters, while indulging in wine tasting and exploring ancient ruins for an unforgettable experience. Mykonos, the party island. Mykonos is renowned for its famous beaches and vibrant nightlife, offering endless fun. Stroll through the charming old town with its iconic windmills, and immerse yourself in local festivals and events for an unforgettable experience. Crete, the largest island. Crete boasts diverse landscapes, from ancient ruins of Knossos reflecting Minoan culture to stunning beaches and scenic hiking trails. Don't miss the chance to savor local Cretan cuisine and exquisite olive oil during your visit. Delphi, the ancient oracle. Delphi, an archaeological site of great importance in ancient Greece, offers stunning mountain views and sacred sites. Visitors are encouraged to learn about the legendary Oracle of Delphi and its profound influence on history and culture. Meteora, monasteries in the sky. Meteora features unique rock formations and breathtaking views, perfect for hiking enthusiasts. The historical significance of its monasteries is profound, and visitors are encouraged to explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site with respect and appreciation. Greece offers diverse attractions and unforgettable experiences, from ancient ruins to stunning islands. We encourage you to plan your trip and explore these incredible destinations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more travel content.